Hello everyone, welcome to D3 Lab. Today we are going to discuss about the card layout. Card layout is very famous and this card layout distinguishes one element from one element to the another element into your app. So let's get started. For that we have used we have already made a grid layout like we have told into the earlier videos. The grid layout is making that card layout a responsive one. So I'm going to make the a card layout into the middle grid layout. So let's get started. I'm going to drag a card component into it. Let's keep it to the default. This is the card title, this is the card content, and this is the card footer. So the whole card is a complete area, and into that area you can distinguish one functionality of an app to the another functionality of an app. And this is the title of that area, this is the content that will be used into that, and this is the footer that may have some contents into it. So let's start with everything into it. Just drag it. Now card content should be into the middle. So let's start with card title. This is the title of the card. Here we have, let's keep it to the default, and we can have anything into it also, but let's have some text into it. It's basically for the text. Let's put some login. Save the app. I'm going back to the card content. Now let's put some block into it, and also some block title. Okay, let's put some title into it. It didn't get saved because I have forgotten about saving the app. So let's put it hello there. Save it. I'm going back to the card content, and here we go into the block. Now inside the block I'm using some, let's use some paragraph. Okay, a paragraph is a wrapper class where everything about the paragraph can be used. It's all about the text formatting. It contains everything related to the text. So here is we put the text, and I write it down to is so awesome. Saving the app. Okay, I'm going back. I'm going to add some text formatting. I'll tell you something about text formatting. Uh, Text formatting is also something like text, but we are using text formatting type. So it is a U. Strong U is for underlining, I is for styling into the italics, strong is for bold, and so on. You can inscription, subscription, subscript, and the superscript also over here. There is a mark over there. It's so let's put something. Let's put it as a strong so that it's bold. And now let's save this app. Going back, and let's deploy this app. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, here we go. Here is the card footer. Here is the card footer, and we have not used anything into it. Here is the card content, and here is the card header. Now let's put some colors into it. I just clicked into onto it, so this get populated over here. Now let's add some background color. Let's add blue color over here. Also blue color at the end. Color blue. Okay, let's save it. Okay, cool. Let's deploy this app. Yeah, here we go. Here's the card header saying login, and this is the text. This is the content that we wanted to use over here, and this is the footer. Now you can know over here from this that how you can differentiate one content of this card to another. I'm making one another card by copying this card. Let's do it. Let's go to the card. Okay, now the ID is D3 underscore 20 of the D3 column, so I'm copying this into the same. So I'm copying into D320. Just copied it. Okay, here we go. We have two cards. Now I'm editing it so that we could have two things. We can differentiate over them. Okay, login. Let's tell it as sign up. Okay, let's try this app to see how it looks. Okay, here we go. We have login and sign up. Now, if we want to add some spaces over here, we can also do this. For that, we have padding height. Padding height is the percentage of height of uh, which you want to add into it. So let's add 5% of the total views height in between them, and let's deploy this app. Let's see how it looks. Okay, cool. Here we have some padding over here according to the height, and this padding is 5% of the total height of this app. Okay. Now we also want some heading over here too. So let's copy that 5% padding height into D320. Okay, and let's adjust it onto the top. Okay, now I'm deploying this app so that it could be a little bit better. Okay, cool. That's it for today.